Hey everyone, and welcome to Trades of the Day. This video will work much better than my last one since I have my recording and my audio turned on for this video. So this will be the second video I make for you guys today. First and foremost, just blissfully insane market, right? Crazy, crazy town. SPY all over the place. Here's my three kind of interpretations, drawings, plans on what I think ends up happening in the market. And you'll notice all three really did start with and expect a bounce. It looks at this point we're going to get more blue or pink though, and I'm kind of good with any one. Now, if you got a chance on Friday, I hope that some of you sold some puts or some bull put spreads pretty far away on the SPY because there is some solid premium down there. It depends on where you go, of course, but I mean, there's some money. There's some money down there. Even at 222, there's some premium. You could get 76 cents for 222, which is 40 points lower, almost a 20% drop on the SPY. So anyway, I just expect us to bounce off the 200. We will. We are. I still have my Iron Condor, which is the 285, 286, 239, 238. And that expires in 3 weeks, 3.5, let's call it 4 weeks. So that's the SPY. That's pretty much what I got. Now, the trades that we did have set up, I did cancel them earlier this morning on the actual worksheet. Now, the other challenge is I do have a Slack channel where I also canceled them this morning and kind of letting everyone know my thoughts. I know the vast majority of you do not have access to this channel, at least yet. But we are working on that. I know the text alerts are a big thing, and you guys are chatting about that. And I mean, like I said, me and Greg been chatting really often. All we want to do is help you guys enrich lives, help you trade better. So anyway, bottom line, this was 7:17 this morning, and I said I might just cancel these bearish swing trades. Give me 30 minutes or so, and I'll decide if we cancel. And then here's 7:55, pretty much at channel alerting everybody. Hey team, let's go ahead and cancel our bearish swing trades on Netflix, Intel, Facebook. And no need to exit OKTA for break even. So that was kind of that analysis because Intel was really gapping up quite strong. So very nice gap this morning. I know we were going to go bearish, or our plan was to go bearish, but it was just going to open above the 100. And since we had all weekend to think about it, there's no reason not to, right? So the big deal on Intel is that it closed already above the high of last week's high. That's a big deal. So Intel, I do expect to continue to go higher at this point. I think some people are solidly trapped, and we're going to look on that one a little bit more tomorrow and next week, not next week, but Wednesday, see exactly where our entry needs to go. But just some updates on the previous trades. OKTA, I've updated you guys on this one. Let's increase the stop and have the target at 42.67 on OKTA. And then over here on GE, so I have a target in for General Electric, which has been working out pretty well. Just a nice looking bearish trend. This one really could depend on how long you want to be in it. I mean, this thing could just slowly go into the single digits. So if you want to keep holding GE short, you're more than welcome to. One of my newer traders out there has some puts on General Electric, and he's doing really well. But I think GE definitely goes to single digits. And then the question is, when does it go even lower than that? Is there anything lower than single digits? I'm thinking 850 is a pretty good low, and maybe it starts chopping around 750 and some change. I mean, at that point, it would just have gotten absolutely shredded. So you could expect GE at some level to bounce. I mean, they still have products and things, but it does look like that trend is just pretty healthy, and might as well exit when it comes to fruition. So next, we have AutoZone. AZO and AutoZone actually still looks pretty good. I like these two candles. I like the moving averages. The trend still looks good. We'll lower the stop sometime, probably Thursday, on AutoZone above the stop. So as of right now, looking pretty decent. And then Overstock still open actually, because Overstock did not really participate with the market moves at all recently. And it did make a little bit of a lower low and lower high. I get that. We'll see if it breaks, has some type of good gap. If not, no big deal. But I think it's valuable and worth keeping open, as this looks like some type of flag pattern retracement coming in on overstock.com. And then obviously, I mean, just the ones that we canceled, VRX. Let's go look at VRX. I actually still kind of like this short. I don't mind shorting VRX, but with the market the way it is and that candle doesn't look super bearish, I think I'm just going to wait. Bide my time on some bearish trades. Here's the weekly. And again, definitely not a fan of anything that VRX does presently or pastly, but a little bit of a trend line like this. We'll see if that thing breaks down at some point, and if and when it does, well, I think we'll have an opportunity to short it, but let's just wait on VRX. Talked about Intel, canceled Facebook because Facebook didn't trigger from our exact setup that we had, but this was a really good day trade opportunity. Now I know I'm going to do my absolute best to get you guys on some great information and content very soon as it relates to day trading, but here's what I got on Facebook. On the 5-minute chart, this is how we played it as a day trade. Let me turn off all my lines. So when Facebook was gapping up this morning, the whole market was gapping up, and then Facebook immediately just fell to the ground. Opened and just got wrecked. So then it came down to this pre-market support. So this is the pre-market low. Right here. Low of this candle is 155.45. So I drew a line at that price. And when Facebook broke that price and I shorted it right there on the retest, high of this candle is 155.48. So we got in bearish here with a stop up here and then just really hit home this move nicely on Facebook. So as far as what I think it does from here, here's my little red drawing. I think it's pretty likely what it does. It would make a lot of sense for it to do that. We still have our 145 put sale for July, which is pretty far away. And we will buy some puts on Facebook if we do close below the low of today, but I think we can see some type of wave rotation and a little bit of a bullish move. Question is just exactly how far, how close to that level that we get. And our other trades, let's see, cred spreads. Alcoa's chart looks fine. Facebook we're looking at right now, and Acacia looks good. So we got a put sale on Acacia. Acacia looks fine. We got May, and then our two new trades. It's going to be SGH and then Dick's Sporting Goods. So here's SGH, Smart Global Holdings, good bullish gap and go, nice trend, not caring at all what the market's doing, good volume, everything about it looks nice. I do want it to trigger tomorrow, however, and if it doesn't, that's fine, but we can come back and reevaluate it tomorrow. And then Dick's Sporting Goods, ticker symbol DKS, also had a very nice gap. This was one that was moving pretty prettily at some point during the day, and it's looking for a pullback into old resistance, new support about 34.17 by 32.32, and that also should trigger tomorrow. So we're going to look at those a little bit more tomorrow. But hey, folks, beautiful feedback. If you have any other questions, just let me know how I can assist. Post them in the comments, questions sections below. You are amazing, folks. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being actively engaged. Keep us posted on your progress. Let us know how we can help, and I'll see you all later. Until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.